Here's the deal. If you create art and you show it to people, you're in business. And I know that us artists, if you're like me, are repulsed by the idea of business, right? That's why I created this Intuitive Artist Retreat. It's a simple system for creatives of all kinds, visual artists, to really go deep into this process with me. An intuitive, flowy way for artists to really understand the business side of art in a non-businessy kind of way. If that sounds like something you're interested in, join the Intuitive Artist Retreat, where you can create a new collection of fresh, intuitive art that's deeply inspiring, deeply healing for yourself and the viewers of your incredible intuitive art. Tap into the deep emotions inside of you, connecting to the core essence of you to create an intuitive collection of art within 5 days. Even if you have no experience, it's a total new portfolio, new collection creation workshop online on Zoom with me live. I will be helping you, guiding you through my intuitive creative system so that you can have a whole new collection to feel actually really proud of. If you're not into the business stuff or selling your art and you just really want to tune into your creative spiritual soul and make art from a deep, meaningful place that can set you up for a really easy way to sell your art, this will be the experience for you. This is a completely different kind of experience. This is not like a normal YouTube tutorial. This is not a Skillshare class. This is a deeply soul transforming experience. I'm calling it a retreat because I really want you to carve out time to be present and go into this deep sacred work to make this artwork. If you're like me, in my past, I had massive resistance against really sitting down to making the art. It almost felt like there was a huge block of procrastination that was holding me back from actually making the art. This is why I created this, because I want to walk with you and help ground you into creating a collection of art that has been weighing on your soul. It's been hiding deep inside of you, and I want to help pull this out of you so that you can see what's been dormant on the inside of you. If this is causing any intuitive nudges or emotional heartstrings are being pulled while I'm speaking, this is a sign your intuition is calling you to join me. Let's do this. Let's start this year off in the most sacred, grounded way that will feel so nourishing and fulfilling and satisfying to your creative soul. Who knows what's possible if you can tap into this and make this art. Imagine how good you will feel when you have a full collection of art that you actually feel proud of, that you feel inspired by yourself, and others look at it and they say, wow, that's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I feel this, I see this in it, I see this in this, and I want that piece. That's what we're looking for, and that's what I want to help you create this season. Join the waitlist for the Intuitive Artist Retreat. We're going to create a whole collection, a new portfolio of your art together, step by step by step, and I'll be there guiding you live from your own home studio. So you can join from anywhere in the world. You can invite a friend from anywhere in the world, and you can do this together. You don't have to do this alone anymore. Intuitive creativity is such deep, sacred work, and my way of teaching is so personalized. So I wanted to create a more interactive way of teaching and going deeper. If this lights you up and inspires you, join me. I'm so excited to connect with you on the other side. I'll see you there.